Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to solve Spotify app not install problem in any Android. Click settings. Most phones do not download software because they do not have a free memory. You can see how much your phone memory is empty. You can see I have enough phone memory. My phone memory has no issues. If your phone memory is low, you can delete some files or delete your unnecessary data. Then open Google Play Store. Click Profile. Click Settings. Click Network Preference. Then click App Download Preference. Select over any network. Click Settings. Click App Management. Click App List. Click Storage Use. Click Clear Data. Then click OK. Now you try to download the software from the Play Store. Then search Spotify app. Click Spotify app. Then click Update. Thanks for watching.